Tired of noisy neighbors or traffic ruining your backyard peace? In this video, we'll reveal 10 amazing privacy plants that grow fast, look beautiful, and block both sound and unwanted eyes. Whether you're gardening in the suburbs or trying to create a peaceful balcony retreat, these plants have you covered, literally. Make sure to watch until the end to discover which plant works like a green sound wall. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart gardening tips. Let's dive in with number 1 on our list. If you want fast results, clumping bamboo is a top choice. Unlike the running type, clumping bamboo grows in tight clusters, making it ideal for controlled privacy hedges. Some species can grow several feet per year, quickly forming a thick natural barrier. Aside from its incredible speed, bamboo also has excellent sound dampening qualities. The tall, hollow stalks and rustling leaves absorb and scatter noise, which makes it perfect for blocking street sounds or chatty neighbors. Plus, it gives your garden an instant tropical vibe. Just be sure to pick a clumping variety like Bambusa textilis to avoid invasiveness and keep your hedge in check. Known for its dense foliage and tall growth, Arborvitae, especially the green giant cultivar, is a classic privacy plant. It's evergreen, grows up to 3 feet per year, and thrives in a wide range of climates. Its thick greenery acts as a natural noise barrier and visual screen. Once mature, a row of Arborvitae can completely block the view of nearby homes or busy streets, creating a private, peaceful oasis. This low-maintenance tree also resists pests and disease, making it a reliable choice for long-term coverage. Just plant them about 5 to 6 feet apart for the best hedge effect. The Leyland Cypress is another privacy champion thanks to its fast growth and dense branching. It can reach up to 60 feet tall, with a width of about 15 feet, forming a solid wall of green in just a few years. Its soft, feathery foliage is not only visually attractive, but also excellent at muffling outside noise. This makes it a favorite among homeowners dealing with nearby roads or noisy neighbors. Just note that it prefers full sun and well-drained soil. With proper care, Leyland Cypress can create a dramatic and effective barrier that's both beautiful and functional. If you like the idea of a neatly trimmed green fence, Privet is for you. It's a fast-growing shrub that responds well to pruning, allowing you to shape it exactly how you want. Dense and leafy, privet hedges provide both visual coverage and light sound blocking. While it's not as tall as some trees, it grows fast and thick enough to make a real difference in a backyard or garden setting. Some varieties also produce fragrant white flowers in spring, adding seasonal interest and attracting pollinators to your space. Viburnums are versatile shrubs that offer privacy, sound control, and seasonal beauty all in one package. Depending on the variety, they can grow tall and wide, forming a lush screen of greenery. Their dense foliage helps reduce noise and visual disturbances, while many types bloom with clusters of white or pink flowers. Some also produce berries in the fall, which attract birds and beneficial wildlife. Whether you prefer evergreen or deciduous types, Viburnum can be a fantastic multi-purpose plant to line your property and create a peaceful escape. For year-round coverage with a pleasant aroma, try the wax Myrtle. It's an evergreen shrub with fast growth and a thick branching pattern that's perfect for creating a living fence. Its small, leathery leaves are packed densely enough to block views and absorb sound. It's especially popular in southern climates thanks to its heat tolerance and adaptability to various soil conditions. As a bonus, the leaves release a subtle spicy scent when crushed, giving your outdoor space a uniquely refreshing atmosphere. Holly may surprise you, but certain varieties like American or Nellie Stevens holly are excellent for privacy. These evergreens grow thick, tall, and stay lush all year long. Their glossy, spiny leaves form a dense barrier that deters both noise and intruders. Yes, even deer. Some varieties can grow up to 30 feet tall if left untrimmed, making them ideal for larger properties. Plus, their red berries add a pop of color in winter and attract birds, giving your privacy hedge both function and flair. If vertical space is what you need, Italian cypress delivers a stylish solution. These slim trees grow tall and narrow, reaching heights of 40 to 60 feet while staying just a few feet wide. Although not as thick as some other plants, their dense foliage still helps reduce noise and block views when planted in rows. They're often used to frame driveways, fences, or property lines with a Mediterranean touch. Italian cypress also thrives in warm climates and dry conditions, making it both elegant and efficient for privacy. With its vibrant red new growth, red Tip Photinia adds color and coverage to your garden. It's a fast-growing evergreen shrub that forms a solid hedge when planted in groups. The thick leaves help reduce sound and sight lines, making it a great choice for urban or suburban areas. You can trim it to your preferred shape, or let it grow naturally for a more relaxed look. Just keep in mind that it needs good air circulation and full sun to stay healthy and vibrant. Last but not least, Spartan Juniper is a tough, compact evergreen, perfect for narrow spaces. It grows quickly and forms a dense, upright column of green that's excellent for both visual and noise privacy. It's drought-tolerant, wind-resistant, and easy to maintain, making it ideal for those who want a set-it-and-forget-it kind of plant. Plus, it looks great year-round. With its formal look and resilience, Spartan Juniper is a great final touch to any privacy garden setup. There you have it, 10 powerful privacy plants that don't just look good, but actually work hard to make your space quieter and more private. Whether you're dealing with city noise or just want a little more peace, there's a plant here for you. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss our next gardening tips. See you in the next video, and happy planting!